Morning, friends of YouTube and of me. It's another day in DC. Today we're just going to go and walk around a little bit, and I think the musicians are going to do their first set, so that'll be fun, and you can follow me around, and I will see you there. We made it. This is America. Where'd you go? I don't know if you can see me, but it's time for our nighttime session. Shooter. Look at that. Also the Washington Monument. Everyone is taking. We all look like shadows in the night. It's so creepy in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Is that me?
Yes. Like literally the clouds are orange. It's freaky, but it's cool. Anyway, we're done. So we're going home and going to get some food
and a toilet.
To the okay. Anyway, yeah. Hello, friends of YouTube and me. There's a car coming. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We made it. Anyways, we're going for a walk now. It's like the next day and stuff, and I haven't really vlogged all day. We're going into the wilderness for a walk, and it's gonna be good. So follow us. It should be interesting. Hopefully we don't get lost, and hopefully Faith doesn't die. Okay, bye. Going on an adventure into the bamboo, into the wilderness. This is cool. I feel like I'm in the jungle.
I'm okay.
I think this is the end of the line.
Wow.
Great. I have found a bridge.
Oh, that is miles, because this lake is now 7.4. We've gone a mile.
A whole mile, which I don't understand what that is at all. But that's okay. Master must go inside the tunnel. Faith doesn't understand that reference, but
I don't.
It's okay. It's green.
Right now.
It's sketchy.
It's pretty sketchy.
Woohoo!
And I've got a knife.
Dun dun dun. Yeah, buddy. I've come upon a marsh.
Mile 7. Yes, we've walked 7 miles. Yes,
we've walked like 2. Not even. We found another park.
Oh, deer! Deer! They ran and scared the crap out of us. Thought they were coyotes.
Look at them go!
Are deer ever rabid?
Okay, stop.
They're
so cool.
It's amazing.
So we're coming up to the trail. Not entirely sure where we're going, but we'll find our way. It's beautiful. That Rock Creek. Rock Creek. Or Parkwood Drive. Left.
We go to the left.
We go to the left. Right? Remember this creek?
I do remember
this creek.
We are not lost.
We are not lost.
We
know our bearings.
Oh,
I see the van! Faith, don't run! Oh, jeez. Guys, for once in like a billion years, we did not get lost at all. Not even once, not even close. We know our way! That was a good exercise, and we saw deer, which was really awesome. So now we're gonna go home, eat some supper, and then we're gonna go to another session. So yeah, it's gonna be great. All right, check out the ground too. It's pink.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
Pretty.
Taking pictures right here, but yet the White House is right there.
We're stupid.
Oh, you're filming.
It's over there. You can't really see it in the dark, but
oh, it's beautiful.
Another pretty night with pink skies.
Nope, not 6 seconds.
I'm gonna wait! Give my phone. Oh, you don't record that.
I'm always recording. No, I didn't actually record that. There are random like strobe lights. I don't know if you can see them in the video, but I don't know where they're coming from.
It's on the president's house because there's pot smokers.
Oh yeah, there's like a smoking thing. It's like them versus us. So much better. Face tuning her harp in the dark.
By the monument.
There's a random thing over there going on. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, it's very cold. Okay, so real quick, I'm just going to explain people because I don't think anyone really understands what we're here for. So basically, yeah, so we're coming from Faith Church and we are doing what David's Tent does. Is it's like a 24-hour worship thing all day, every day until the election is over, and it's pretty much almost directly right outside of the White House, which is really, really, really awesome, and people can walk by and kind of see what's going on, and it's pretty cool. And so far we do the morning and evening shifts, so they do the worship with their team there, and then it's pretty cool. So if anyone wants to check it out, you can go to the website. It's davidstentdc.org, and check it out and see what kind of stuff's going on there.